Hey y'all, we're just going to do a super brief summary of chapters 3 and 4. They are pretty straightforward chapters, but in chapter 3 we obviously learned that individual and organizational learning can be very different at those two various levels. So this chapter specifically emphasizes the importances of understanding how various people acquire or process their knowledge or information to improve their performance within the workplace, as well as adapt to changes within the workplace. Some key concepts that I took from this chapter were learning styles and learning processes. Learning styles obviously means that individuals have various preferences, which they use to categorize their learning processes, and they use these various styles to accommodate their needs rather than how someone else may do it. Learning process, kind of the same thing, but this chapter specifically outlines a 4-step learning cycle that facilitates unlimited learning and adaptation. Chapter 4, we talked about perception and job attitudes, and really from this chapter, we learned how perception can influence various behaviors within a workplace and how those attitudes can change the environment of that workplace. Some key aspects that I took from this chapter were perception and job attitudes. And perception obviously means that individuals will perceive things and make sense of things in their own way, whereas someone else may perceive it in another way. So this can create some impacts in the decision-making process, but that's part of the workplace environment. Job attitudes. This chapter really examines various job attitudes, including from satisfaction to organizational commitment to not being part of the team really at all. And all these attitudes really significantly influence how various employees behave in various organizations and how those organizations work out.